Shivani Tyagi. I am a senior business analyst at Webkul. It's my pleasure to be here today and walk you through this presentation. In this presentation, I'll be sharing insights around the topic comprehensive implementation of Odoo-based education management system. Before diving into the main presentation, I'd like to briefly introduce Webkul and our expertise in the Odoo ecosystem. Webkul has a trusted Odoo platform partner for over 15 years, and during this journey, we have built a strong team of 150 plus Odoo professionals. Our experience span across 350 plus successful Odoo implementations worldwide, covering more than 25 different industries, which gives us a deep understanding of diverse business needs. We have developed a portfolio of over 950 plus custom Odoo modules tailored to various use cases. Today, we proudly serve more than 25,000 Odoo customers. This experience and expertise position us as one of the most reliable and capable Odoo solution providers in the market. Let's move on to the current challenges in education system. The current challenges we face in the education system are lack of technological integration. There are still various education industries which does not have any kind of technology introduced in their systems, because of which they have lack of experience or lack of expertise when it comes to data that are being available in the system. Poor data management and use. There are data like students' attendance, their track records, and others that are not being managed properly. Communication gap. There is still a communication gap between students, administration, teachers, and parents. Weak parent and community engagement. Parents still does not have this much time in today's era that they continue to have a day-to-day vision of what exactly their kids are performing or what exactly their kids are getting or giving in the education system. Apart from that, we have manual processes. In the education system, we still used to manage things manually, which most of the time causes errors and issues in the system. Let's see why Odoo fits education industry or education system. As we all know that Odoo is a all-in-one education or all-in-one platform, so it manages everything in a centralized way. Things work in one platform, which is why education industry can be managed in Odoo very successfully. Let's see our solution of Odoo education management. Our solution provides whatever is being required or needed in the scenario of education industry today. We provide seamless integration with all the Odoo default apps. With our module, you can use any of the Odoo default apps. The module will work seamlessly with the default apps. Multi-device responsive, mobile, website, and tabs. Our module Odoo education system can be managed with multiple devices, within multiple devices, whether it's mobile, it is website or tablets. You can use the module in any of these devices, built to fit every education institute's fundamental needs. As I have already mentioned, that the module is being developed and designed taking care of today's educational fundamental needs. That is why the module is fit for every educational institute. We provide 4 distinct entities, that is administrator, student, teacher, and parent. Let's see what these different entities are providing, like what features are we providing with for these different entities. Let's unveil how each role experience tailored features within the system. Student portal. Student portal should be smart, simple, and student centric since the student have to manage everything on their portal. So let's see what features I wanted to see as a student, or what features our module provided on the student portal. Student portal. Basically, if I am a student, what I would like to see on the portal will be if what will be my timetable for today, tomorrow, or like for the coming week, so that I can prepare accordingly. What assignments are being given to me? Let's suppose if today assignment is given to me, then I have to take care of the assignment. Like I have to submit it, I have to prepare it first, I have to submit it, and that is what can be done within the portal. Also, I need to check what my attendance is, or if there is any public holiday that is coming up for the coming week, so that I can plan my vacations accordingly. I need to check my grades also. Let's suppose if I was not doing very well in one of the subjects, then I need to perform or I need to take care of that subject particularly for that session or that term. So I'll be able to check my grades or my progress term wise as well. I also wanted to check if there is any announcement on the notice boards. Let's suppose if there is any announcement that should be available or that is available for me as a student, like if there is any sports day or any event that will be coming up in the coming month or coming week. So I need to prepare accordingly. Let's see how these features look like on our portal in the demo. So let me log in as a student first. So I'm just logging in as a student. This is how the student portal will look like. Let's suppose if I am a student, and then I'll be able to view like what grade, what my profile would look like what grade I am in, what my academic year is, and what the other information like my personal information, my parents' name, address, etc. What is the current month's attendance. Like I can check my attendance on the dashboard itself. I can check what are the upcoming classes, the notifications and alerts. I can also check these things in detail just on the click from here. Let's say I can check my timetable. Okay, I have a class on 15th. I can check at what location the class is. I can check like what the start time of the class is, what will be that, when will the class will be ended. I can also check the overall assignments here, what I have submitted, what is being evaluated. So let's say if I have given an exam for maths and I got B plus, so I need to take care of that as well. Okay, so I have to study more in the coming exam so that I can get a A plus over here. I can also check what assignments are not being submitted. I can check these by the statuses over here. I can check the attendance as well, like what like let's suppose on 5th of September there's a teachers day, so it's a holiday, so I don't have to attend the school on that day, or there is a holiday on that day. I can check my overall grades as well, like what percentage I got in Hindi or in robotics, what percentage I got in English. Also, I can check if I have got any kind of disciplinary action has been taken against me in the classes. Also, I can check the announcements that I have mentioned, like if there is any an exam going to take place for tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. This is how the student can check their portals. Let's move on to the next portal that we provide. The next portal is like teacher's portal. What teacher needs to do is they need to plan, teach, and evaluate. The main features that the I wanted to view as a teacher will be like what my class timetable is. If I have given any assignment to the students, if they have submitted it, and if they have submitted it, then I have to evaluate it. Also I need to check the lesson plans, like what I need to teach in the next class or next to next class. I need to prepare that lesson plans as well. I need to check if there is any notice available for me, like let's suppose if I have to be a coordinator of any of the events that is coming up, so I can check it over here. I need to check attendance, like what attendance of the students are. So let's see how this works on the demo. Let me log out as a student first. So I'll log in as a teacher over here. So as soon as I log in, I'll be able to view my complete detail or my complete profile on the dashboard. As soon as I log in, I can check the total scheduled classes, total assigned assignments, total student assignments, pending service hours. I can check like what grades I need to, in which grade, what subjects I am studying, what are the number of students. I can check like if there is any notice available and the lesson plans available. I can also check if I am a teacher. Then the first thing I need to do as a teacher will be I need to check what classes I need to take today. Let's suppose if I have back-to-back classes and I have to prepare accordingly. Also, if I have to check like what students have submitted, what assignments. If the assignments are submitted, then I need to evaluate those assignments. I can also check or create my lesson plans from here. Like if I'm a teacher, then I'll be creating different lesson plans for different classes. If I'm teaching robotics in any class, then I have to prepare that lesson plan. If I am a teacher teaching like Hindi or maths in another class, then I have to prepare the lesson plan from that as well. That is all for teachers portal. Now let's move on to the parent portal. What I as a parent want it to be. I want it to be informed and engaged. So within the portal, the main features that we provide is staying informed. I'll be informed regarding my child's attendance, my child's grades, my child's timetable. Apart from that, the main feature that we provide in the module for the parents would be the fees summary. Since I need to know like when will be the fees overdue, or like what fees have been submitted, what is the next time I have to pay the fees, and if there are any announcement related to related for my child, like for any event or any sports day or anything. I need to check like, okay, if there is any sports day happening in the next week, then I want my kid to take care of that. Like I want my kid to be on time for that. He has to be he has to he has to participate in the sports day accordingly. Like he likes cricket, so he'll be participating in cricket. So let's see how the parents portal will look like. Let me log out as the teacher first and log in as a parent from here. So here is the parents portal. So here it is. So let's say my children's name is Abhishek, so I can see his details. Like, okay, this is the personal details. I can see the fee summary on the dashboard itself. I can see their attendance. If Abhishek has bunked any of the classes, or bunked the class for watching any movies, I need to check care of like what upcoming classes he has, so that I can pack the bags accordingly. I can check there. Okay, I can see that there is an annual day performance, so I need to take care of that as well. I can also take care, or I can also check these things in detail from the portal. Let's say on the timetable, I can check. Okay, he has a class of Hindi, and what location, what is the timing, so that if I need to contact them, so I can contact them accordingly. I have to take care of that as well. Like I have to call him, so I need to call him that way. I can check like what assignments are being checked and what assignments are being evaluated. So let's say I can see that he has got B plus in math, so I have to take care of that as well. Like I have to take tuitions for that. Also, I need to check his attendance. Like, okay, he has a holiday, so I can plan the vacations accordingly. I can check the fee summary from here. Like, okay, this is the fee summary. I have to pay fees. Okay. Also, apart from that, if there is any announcements that needs to take care of by me as a parent, that is all for the parents portal. Although there are all multiple features available, I can also check my kids' grades. Like, okay, this is the grade. This is how they have got, or they have got evaluated in this way. So let's move on to the last portal that our module provides. That is administrator portal. As in the education system, administrator plays the major role. So what roles does he perform? He has to manage operations and the insights. So let's see what our portal provides. Our portal provides the feature for administrator to manage fee structure, since that is one of the major thing. As an administrator, I wanted to check like what fee structure I need to create for which class, which grade. I need to take care of the application form. I need to take we also provide the KPI dashboards in the portal. I can also check timetable of teachers and what location they are available, what locations are free, so that I can schedule classes accordingly. I can check transcripts as well. If I wanted to generate a transcript for any of the student, like from any of the batch, I need to generate a transcript, then I can do that as well. Let's see how these features work on the portal. So let me log out as a parent and log in as an administrator. So this is how the administrator portal will look like on the dashboard. As soon as I log in on the dashboard, I will be able to see the total number of application, total enrollments, total students, total faculties. Also, I can check, scroll down and check multiple features like the schedule features. I can see the class assignments, the student assignments. I'll also these are the things that I'll be able to view on the portal. Also, I can check the details, like I can create applications if there's a new parent if there's a parent came to the school or to the institute and they wanted to generate an application since they haven't gone through the website. So I can generate it from here. Once the application is being confirmed, it will be converted into enrollment form. Once like the student has got the enrollment process done, so after the enrollment, we can see the fee structure from here. We can generate fees slips as well. We can check if there is or there are any service hours available. I can check if there are any disciplinary action that are taken against the student or the kid. I can also create grades, and in the grades I can also assign grade scales. Let's suppose I can click here and this is how the grade scale would look like. One of the major feature that I was talking about, transcript. I can generate transcript for any session, any student from here. Let's say we were discussing about Abhishek, so I can fetch the complete grades like for the academic year from here. Like this is what their grades are currently, and from here they can improve as well. Like in the next term they can check this. They can also I can go for the grade sheets. This is how I can fetch the grade sheets. This is how the grade sheet would look like. So let's see how fee structure would look like. I can create fee structure. That is one of the major thing that I as an admin wanted to create for every class. So I can update this from here. I know that admission fees is being paid once, so this is how I added the frequency as once. The tuition fees, the annual charges, these are recurring, so I have added the frequency as recurring. These are the main features for administrator portal. Now let's see the impact of Odoo education management system. So as per the customers who are already using our module, we have identified the impact of our module Odoo Education Management System. So 40% of reduction in administrator workload through automation of attendance, grading and reporting, 25% increase in student performance, tracking accuracy with real-time analytics, 30% cost saving by reducing paperwork and manual processes, 50% faster communication between teacher, student and parents via the integrated portals. Now, these are some of our customers who are using our modules and have graded us as 5-star. They have provided us reviews for the module they are using. This is one of our customer who is actually using the module and in his institute, and this is their backend. This is how their backend looks like. This is another customer of ours, and let's see if you have any questions. So you can scan this code and let me know if you have any questions. Hello.
So the first question is, can I handle the examination that we're taking physically in the class, but I want to maintain a record? Is that possible?
Yes, it is possible. You can maintain a record for the examinations that were taken physically.
Okay, the second one is, which entities, parent, admin, student, need internal users, considering Odoo Enterprise license cost?
So considering Odoo enterprising licensing cost, you have to purchase licenses for admin and teachers.
Can we bulk export students' records with attendance, grades, and feeds for a specific date range?
Yes, we can. Odoo by default provides a feature of exporting data. So basically, you can use it for exporting the data you wanted to.
Do you have automatic reminders on the parent portal fields?
You can manage the automatic reminders for parent portal using Odoo's default feature for automated server actions.
Are all the users treated as internal users and need license?
No, not all users are treated as internal users. Only administrator and teachers are treated as internal users, for which you have to purchase a new license.
Can I enroll the student in the mid of session and manage fees accordingly?
Yes, let's suppose if there is a student who has come midweek, mid-year. Let's suppose the year is from January to December, and the student has enrolled in July. So you can enroll the student in July and then can manage the fees accordingly. The fees will be taken for the next for the remaining session only.
As a parent, I have multiple child. How many logins will I need?
So if you have multiple childs who are in the same school, then there is no need to manage different portals for different childs. All you have to do is you'll just get one login and you can switch the profile tabs for your children's. Let's suppose there is Abhishek and there is his brother is also in the same school. So you just have to switch the portal and the same portal will be visible for Abhishek and his brother. Although the details related to Abhishek are visible on his portal, and the detail related to his brother's portal will be visible on his portal.
Can we manage multiple branches?
When it comes to managing multiple branches, I would like to tell you that Odoo by default provide feature of managing multiple branches. So we can also manage multiple branches with our module.
Can we enroll a student for transport? Is the feature available?
When it comes to transport, we have a feature of transport facilities in our module, and the admin can just go to the student, then can activate the transport feature and can choose the routes and trips for that student.
Is the solution compatible with both Enterprise and Community Edition?
Yes, the solution that we are providing for Odoo Education Management System, it will work for both Community Edition as well as Enterprise Edition. But for Enterprise Edition, as I have mentioned earlier, you have to purchase a new license for administrator and teachers.
Connection timetable with Outlook?
Sorry?
Connection timetable with Outlook?
So basically you want, okay. So as of now, the connection of Outlook for timetable, I wanted to know, like, how do you wanted to manage the timetables with Outlook? Like you wanted to have, like you wanted to manage, like you wanted to transfer the timetable, or like the mail the classes or something like that.
They are writing that is the synchronization of the timetable with Outlook.
The synchronization is like you wanted to know if the timetable, let's suppose if I am a teacher and
Okay.
I have a class for like 5 p.m. and then do you wanted to have a notification for that class or something like that?
They don't have answer. They only say like the synchronization of
Since
timetable with Outlook.
synchronization of timetable with Outlook is like you wanted to have the timetable details, like when it comes, since Outlook is for emails, and
Okay.
our module is having, like, if you wanted to have notifications when the teachers are getting emails for any classes, like let's suppose if there is a class at 5, then they wanted to have a notification regarding that the teachers will get notification. So if to discuss this thing further, I would request you to come to our booth, and so that we can discuss this concern and can further assist you.
Okay.
Yes.
Is there any option to provide a mark sheet to students?
Yeah, the transcript feature is for mark sheets itself. Let's suppose I am a student and I have to leave the school since my parents are transferring from one state to another. That I can ask the administrator. I can generate it on my own. Let's suppose, as I have shown on the students portal, there's a feature for transcript. I can generate that mark sheet on my own, like what I got in my term 1, and I can do that.
Parental portal to use for managers as a company learning solution?
Sorry.
Parental portal to use for managers as a company learning solution?
The module is basically for Odoo's education system. It is not for managers. So I just wanted to discuss this further.
This is a big one. If we want the students' parents to provide multiple documents, their certification, ID, or something, how can we add the doc on the admission inquiry from form so that is necessary to be filed? They need to be different branch-wise.
Okay. So basically, when it comes to document, you can do manage documents from front end. Like if I am a parent and I wanted to add documents of my child, then I can do it on admission inquiry, and like I can manage it in the back end as well, branches wise.
Okay, that's
Okay.
all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.